Kuba Szymanski, InterManager, Secretary General. I thoroughly enjoy coming to OTG meetings because they are very good. The wealth of discussion, today's panel, superb. And as you can see, I think we are hitting the real stuff. The challenge is how to convert that. How can we actually walk the talk? People were pointing things, highlighting them. What can we do with it is the question. Well, I was trying to summarize everything with one word: responsibility. Who the heck is actually taking responsibility in shipping? At the moment, my colleagues, shipmasters, are feeling very responsible for everything. And sometimes they feel left alone because they are employed on the contract terms. Then they are maybe re-employed, maybe not. But the problem for them also is then they are being employed some people. So they don't know who will be sailing with them. And they say, when I talk to them, look, Kuba, what can we do? I have no idea who my team will be next trip. And there is such a pressure from charterers, pressure from ports, pressure from owner, pressure from ship managers. We would love to do those things. Who the heck is responsible? Me, myself? They feel responsible, but they are not empowered actually to do a lot of things. They are not empowered with budget, they are not empowered with fuel consumption, they are not empowered with a lot of things. So where is the support for them? Good ship managers will definitely support them. They will work in a principle that the ship is the shopping floor, and they will do everything to facilitate what the ship wants. But majority is not doing that, I'm afraid. And I feel, you heard that today, a lot of people were saying that the responsibility is not ashore. People are shying away from that. Why we are not, as a ship managers, for example, we are not going to the owners and not saying, hey, if you do not invest in people, you cannot expect us to have results. We definitely need to make sure that we've got continuity, we've got training provided, blah, blah, blah. Well, we know that we will be launching our new principles. We have been working towards that for some years now, and we are hoping that this will actually, in my own words, shame some people to action. Why we are not proud of something which we are achieving, why we are always shying away, saying we are the ship managers who are actually looking after our people. We do relieve people on time at the level of 96.6%, for example. We have port state control with zero detentions, zero deficiencies. Why we are not bragging about that? Every other industry, when they achieve something, you will hear it, you will see it. I was walking through the bank station today, and it's blasted with BP posters everywhere. And I'm ex-BP myself, and I'm just smiling, thinking, really? But they do that, you see. So why we are not doing that? Why ship managers are not telling the world how good we are? We've got so much achieved already. But no, let's not rock the boat. No, I disagree with that. I think it's time that we do speak up and we show, and because we will become accountable. And if we are not saying things which we are supposed to, then okay, let's be, pulled on that. Let somebody say, check. Do you really do that? And I would be, I'll be delighted to actually go for it, have a challenge, see myself. If we are not doing something, then let's do it. Because we are professionals. We do what we say on a tin, okay? I manage ships. That's what I do. As a ship owner, I own ships. Then management is something else. So when we are managing ship, I would be subcontracting or developing my team. So I will have very good team who does the technical bit, very good team who does the dry docking, crewing, blah, blah, health and safety, and so on and so forth. And I would love to see some sort of a performance-based contracting. That would be my nirvana. I do good job, I'm paid good money. I do the crap job, I'm paid crap money, rubbish money. I think that would be a very good incentive if we could achieve that. We need KPIs, shipping KPIs, which InterManager came up with 12 years ago. I think it's time now to revisit that, and maybe not all of them, but some of them, and start using them, because we are using them already. We are. So why not to tell the world that this is how I'm counting myself. That's how I know that I'm good, because I've done this at this level, and I have achieved this at this level, and I can see my trend going that way, and so on. The special is networking, no doubt. But there is so much happening. Then like yourself, you are jumping from one to the other. And I don't know whether you feel guilty, but I do. If I don't show up like I didn't today, then I have 5 email addresses, emails saying, Kuba, you're in a town, you didn't come up. How dare you? That's what I hate. Indeed, but networking is everything. It's absolutely. So what you're doing tonight, look at this, how many people you've got, I haven't seen for ages, you know. We used to go to Manila and we were laughing, then if you want to see somebody from London, go to Manila. Well, the London Shipping Week actually achieves that. Collaboration, then we really collaborate. And I would love to see cargo owners and P&I clubs getting serious about their business, okay? Stop as they do at the moment.